Barcelona is a vibrant and captivating city located on the northeastern coast of Spain. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and dynamic cultural scene, Barcelona has become a top destination for tourists from around the world. The city's most iconic feature is undoubtedly the works of the renowned architect Antoni Gaudí. Structures such as the Basilica of the Sagrada Familia, Parc Güell, and Casa Batlló showcase Gaudí's unique style. Characterized by organic shapes, colorful mosaics, and intricate details. These architectural masterpieces not only captivate visitors but also serve as a testament to Barcelona's artistic heritage. In addition to its architectural marvels, Barcelona boasts a picturesque coastline that stretches along the Mediterranean Sea. The city's sandy beaches, such as Barceloneta Beach, offer a perfect retreat for sunseekers and water sports enthusiasts. The waterfront is lined with lively promenades, bustling cafes, and seafood restaurants, creating a vibrant atmosphere day and night. Barcelona's cultural scene is also a major draw for tourists. The city is home to numerous museums, including the Picasso Museum and the Joan Miró Foundation, where visitors can explore the works of these renowned artists. Music lovers can enjoy performances at the Gran Teatre del Liceu or attend concerts in the open-air venue of Montjuic. Every year, Barcelona attracts millions of tourists from all corners of the globe. The city's popularity can be attributed to its diverse offerings, ranging from historical landmarks to modern attractions, and its ability to cater to a wide range of interests. Whether visitors are seeking art and culture, vibrant nightlife, or a relaxing beach vacation, Barcelona provides an unforgettable experience for everyone. The city's welcoming atmosphere and mild Mediterranean climate make it an ideal destination year-round. Its blend of history, architecture, natural beauty, and cultural richness make Barcelona a must-visit city for travelers seeking both relaxation and exploration. Barcelona's coastal charm is epitomized by the beautiful Nova Icaria beach, a picturesque stretch of sandy shoreline nestled in the heart of the city. In addition to its natural beauty and crystal-clear waters, the beach offers an array of exquisite dining options. Luxurious bars, and robust security measures to ensure the safety of its visitors. Nova Icaria Beach boasts a vibrant culinary scene, with a variety of upscale restaurants that cater to diverse palates. Whether you're craving fresh seafood, Mediterranean delights, or international cuisine, the beachfront promenade is dotted with renowned establishments offering a memorable dining experience. From elegant seafood grills to trendy beachfront cafes, visitors can indulge in a delightful culinary journey while savoring the stunning views of the beach and the Mediterranean Sea. for those seeking a taste of luxury and relaxation. Nova Icaria Beach offers a range of upscale bars and beach clubs. These venues provide a sophisticated atmosphere, plush seating, and a wide selection of premium beverages and cocktails. Whether you prefer sipping a refreshing drink while basking in the sun or enjoying a vibrant evening ambience with live music and DJs, the beach's bars and clubs cater to all preferences, creating a vibrant and exclusive social scene. Ensuring the safety and well-being of tourists is a top priority for the city of Barcelona. Nova Icaria Beach benefits from regular police patrols and security measures to provide visitors with a secure environment. Local law enforcement maintains a visible presence, patrolling the beach area to prevent any potential disturbances and maintain order. This proactive approach fosters a sense of security and peace of mind for tourists, allowing them to fully enjoy their beach experience without worries. Nova Icaria Beach in Barcelona offers not only a breathtaking natural setting but also a sophisticated atmosphere, making it a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists. The beach's exquisite dining options and luxurious bars provide a refined experience for those seeking indulgence and relaxation. Furthermore, the robust security measures and police patrols ensure the safety and tranquility of visitors. Allowing them to unwind and enjoy their time on the beach without any concerns. Nova Icaria Beach truly encompasses the essence of Barcelona's coastal charm and hospitality, leaving visitors with unforgettable memories of their time in this vibrant city. Beach volleyball has gained immense popularity in recent years, becoming a staple activity for beachgoers in Barcelona. The city's beautiful sandy beaches, such as Barceloneta Beach and Nova Icaria Beach, offer the perfect setting for this exciting sport. With its warm Mediterranean climate and a picturesque backdrop of the sea, it's no wonder that beach volleyball has captured the hearts of locals and tourists alike. One of the key factors contributing to the popularity of beach volleyball in Barcelona is its accessibility. The beaches are easily accessible by public transportation, making it convenient for locals and tourists to reach the sandy shores. Additionally, there are numerous beach volleyball courts available for public use, allowing enthusiasts to gather and enjoy the sport. Whether you're a seasoned player or a beginner looking to have some fun, you'll find a welcoming community ready to embrace your love for the game. Moreover, Barcelona hosts various beach volleyball tournaments throughout the year, attracting professional players from around the world. These tournaments not only showcase the talent and skill of the participants, but also create a lively and competitive atmosphere that spectators can enjoy. The tournaments serve as a platform for athletes to display their prowess while fostering a sense of unity and sportsmanship among the participants. As you stroll along the streets of Barcelona, you can't miss the iconic sight of the city's tourist buses. These brightly colored, double-decker buses are a familiar sight in Barcelona. Offering a convenient and enjoyable way to explore the city's many attractions. The buses follow designated routes that cover major landmarks and tourist destinations. Providing visitors with a comprehensive overview of Barcelona's rich history and vibrant culture. Tourist buses in Barcelona typically offer hop-on hop-off services. Allowing passengers to disembark at any stop and explore the area at their leisure. This flexibility enables tourists to visit popular attractions such as Park Güell, La Sagrada Familia, and the Gothic Quarter, among others. The buses also provide multilingual audio guides. Enhancing the sightseeing experience by providing valuable information about each destination. One of the major advantages of the tourist buses is the panoramic views they offer from the top deck. Passengers can enjoy unobstructed vistas of Barcelona's stunning architecture, bustling streets, and scenic landscapes. Whether you choose to sit inside the bus or take a seat on the open-air top deck, you're guaranteed a memorable and immersive sightseeing experience.